Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or block reminders to access location on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Reminders. In here, tap on Location and then choose Never to block reminders to access location, or if you want to allow location access for reminders, you can choose Ask next time or when I share or while using the app. And you can also choose to turn on or switch off precise location. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.